The freeze.
Do I have a freeze? Yeah, buy a toothbrush.
Yeah, buy the toothbrush. Yeah, guys, that's what I'm saying. I love Vex. I love Vex, guys.
Oi, oi, oi.
But they don't want me to do that, but they want lick from bottom. But all that. So now watch a shoe now. And everything. Huh?
Huh? Just turn it on.
But I'm not going to hear it. Sure. I'm not even going to hear it. I'm going to go watch it. I'm going to go watch it and I'm not going to hear it. Can't answer that to me. I'm going to watch it and I'm not going to hear it.
No.
Me have to drink water and not see water there.
Fine there, I don't see you drink water.
Me no want water.
If you drink water, if you check if you are breathing.
I'm not breathing.
I'm
not breathing.
You not breathe?
No. You may have breathe when I vomit.
So you not vomit?
No. I don't vomit.
Cover no? Cover no?
This one may go watch.
Oh, no, dude.
Which one may go watch?
Why you tell me about she no beard for me? Give a fuck?
What am I talking about me no beard?
No, you them talk.
Who's them say no beard?
I'm not call the name. You had a side.
No beard. Tell them someone just beard a while ago.
She beard. She beard, man. Yeah, she beard.
What am I say that?
No, not you.
Oh,
You had a side.
it's other side.
The A word. You know, say Hayward no beard cause him in the same clothes.
Yeah.
I say slow, man. That Hayward, and I get it. To sleep. That's that. Now watch movie.
No.
I'm going to go sleep. You're proud of me? Proud of myself to that. Yo, I'm loving you, bro. Yeah, we have to rank up. Alright. All the way there. Overcome, alright. What's up? Overcome, yeah, make me know see you there. Yeah, make me know see you there, overcome. You know. Who and who there? Wanna just comment me. Who and who there? We proud of you. Katie. I see you. Buckler me ask who suck good and them a say me. Jesus. What clot. No sir. Not so much somebody so good. Alright, I'll be a no badge comment. Alright, so people with badge, who there? Who there? People with badges. People with badge. Who is here? No, I'm not seeing a... I'm not saying about mother youth. No, I'm not seeing a writing somebody. Present Lex. Gift station of them we are talking about. I phone time now. Who there? Jesus Christ. No, me not see no. No, me not see no proper somebody there to blood clot. Alright, somebody send one money gun. One money gun there. Somebody send one money gun. Then this can go number one. Okay. Okay, Shanique, okay. Me broke. Girl, if I broke, you come on from my life. Come on from my rascal life if I broke. What the fuck you do over here? Me no want you over here, so. Go over somebody else, like, no, you so. Okay,